Hello student, today I will give a lecture class 6 chapter number 16 part 2 video. This is a part 2 video. Then in this lecture we will discuss about atmosphere. What is the meaning of atmosphere? You know, in atmosphere contain is a mixture of gases. In this lecture we will discuss about the structure of the atmosphere. On the basis, in our atmosphere should be divided into 5 layers. Our atmosphere should be divided into 5 layers. जो हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द अर्थ सरफेस से लेकर एटमॉस्फेयर तक हमने डिवाइड किया है 5 लेयर. फर्स्ट लेयर इज ट्रोपोस्फियर, सेकंड लेयर स्ट्रेटोस्फियर, थर्ड लेयर मेसोस्फियर, फोर्थ लेयर इज थर्मो, and last one is uppermost layer exosphere. Clear है बच्चे? Our atmosphere divide into 5 layer starting from the earth surface. First one is troposphere, second one stratosphere, third one mesosphere, fourth thermosphere, last one is exosphere. Next we will discuss the characteristics of these layers. Each and every layer we will discuss. First layer troposphere. Troposphere is the most important layer of the atmosphere. Troposphere is most important layer because they very close to the earth surface, up to 30 kilometer. Troposphere very close to the earth surface, up to 30 kilometer. Almost all weather phenomena like rainfall and cloud and fog, all these things occur in the troposphere. Clear? First, it is the most important layer of the earth atmosphere. They very close to the earth surface, up to 30 kilometer. Almost all weather phenomena like fogs, clouds, heavy rainfall occur in this region. Second one is stratosphere. That is the second layer of the atmosphere. It extends up to 50 km from the earth surface. It extends up to 50 km from the earth surface. This layer is a free from cloud. जो हमारी this layer है ना, free from cloud. This is a most ideal for flying aeroplane. Aeroplane should be flying in this region, that is up to 50 kilometer, because it is a free from cloud. Last one is it contains ozone layer. What is the ozone layer? Ozone layer, it is a protection from sun gave ultraviolet rays. Sun gives ultraviolet ray. If these ultraviolet rays reach from earth's surface, there should be many diseases should be occur in our earth surface, like skin cancer, skin problem. These ozone layer protect these UV rays UV or ultraviolet rays coming from Earth surface. These ozone layer protect. जो हमारी ओजोन लेयर होती है ना, वो सन से आने वाली यूवी रेस को प्रोटेक्ट करती है कि धरती पर नहीं पहुंच सके. इफ दे रीच, देयर शुड बी मैनी स्किन कैंसर एंड स्किन डिसीजेस शुड बी टेक प्लेस. थर्ड लेयर इज मेसोस्फीयर. They should be extend up to 80 km from the Earth's surface. Many meteoroids burn up in this layer. Last fourth is thermosphere. Thermo means thermo related to a temperature. Thermo means related to temperature or heat. With height increasing, temperature should be increased of this layer. Temperature rise with increased height. If we increase the height, there should be temperature should be increasing. These layer extend up to 80 to 400 kilometer. They help in radio transmission. These layers should be help in a communication purpose, like radio signal also coming from this layer. Last one is exosphere. It is the top layer of the atmosphere. It is the top layer of the atmosphere. This layer is very thin. जो हमारी दिस लेयर है थिन होती है, पतली. These contain light gases like helium and hydrogen. You know, helium and hydrogen are light gases because hydrogen gas atomic number 1, helium gas atomic number 2. On the basis, आपने देखा होगा ना हीलियम और हाइड्रोजन गैस. वाई हीलियम गैस यूज फॉर फिलिंग बैलून? बिकॉज हीलियम, जो हमारी हीलियम गैस है, दिस इज ए नोबल गैस, बट व्हेन हाइड्रोजन filled with a balloon, they catch fire easily. That's why hydrogen gas does not fill in balloon. This layer contain light gases. Okay. Next one is oxygen cycle. You know, oxygen we will use for respirations. You know, everyone breathe oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Everyone know oxygen used for burning also, and oxygen have lot of uses. Why oxygen not finish easily? Because of the plant. Because green plant synthesis to give oxygen. You know, as we used atmosphere oxygen for respirations, human being and animal use atmosphere oxygen for respirations. They gives out carbon dioxide. Similar, atmosphere oxygen used for burning fuels. These burning fuels release carbon dioxide. These carbon dioxide used for green plant. These carbon dioxide and in the presence of sunlight, they green plants make food. This is called photosynthesis and giving out oxygen. And it is a gives out oxygen. That is the basic process of oxygen cycle. Okay, thanks student.